fill in these rows and we'll get you started on your wild adventure.
Saki, you stop taking your shoes off.
Look at those trains, babe. They're building part of the park.
They're going to put dinosaurs in there.
Yep.
Broken glasses, pemirsa.
For my guests about to board, please remain behind the yellow line. Behind the yellow line until we come to a complete and final stop. Please wait for the stop. Wait for the stop. Wait for the stop. There
You look like something.
What do I look like?
I don't know.
Indiana Jones?
You look like a dinosaur keeper. Saki! Sak!
Lots of shade in here.
Do you see that tree? That tree is awesome. Looks like Shere Khan is hanging there. Pick up here. Okay. Pemirsa, we are going to Jurassic Park. Kita akan pergi melihat dinosaurus pertama, pemirsa. So, April dan suaminya akan menyusul. Kita sudah di sini duluan. So, kita lagi order coffee, iced coffee, and water untuk si Zaki. Hey. So, hari ini akan menjadi hari yang melelahkan. So, hari ini kita destination di sini, Animal Kingdom dan Hollywood the next. There's no lead. No lead. Then we shall sit down. Oh, this is caramel. You order caramel?
I didn't specify. Take a bite. You try the one.
No, hindi ka na tayo.
You guys have a fun flight day.
Yes!
Hurry up with that.
Wow!
And, you guys got anything?
Zaki, Zaki.
Now, you can buy tickets for me here, like the cars, or you can put up your Xbox Black Pack of Simple Sword. It's a hard game to say, and each game to play, because you don't have to say it to play it. How games work here, and there are games, competition games, two of them are solo games, and it's one ticket per person per game. Just remember that in the competition games, you do have to have people
Thank you.
There you go, my present for you. Oke pemirsa, kita sekarang lagi di bawah pohon. Yang pohon yang bergambar-gambar itu pemirsa, dan kita akan pergi melihat show. Bug show. Bug show, right, Travis? Bug show. We'll take the stroller. Aduh, bau makanan ini bikin saya lapar deh. Anyway pemirsa, tadi bug show-nya sangat bagus sekali. Sangat rekomendasikan kalau kalian pergi ke Animal Kingdom, jangan lupa ke bug show. Sekarang kita mau pergi lihat Lion King. So, ya mudah-mudahan show-nya bagus juga dan anak-anak. What? Oh, Baloo.
Look, it's blue.
Yeah. Mowgli, Baloo and Louie, King Louie.
You want this exact go up there?
Pemirsa, hello, welcome back. So, tadi kita menunggu si Baloo sama si Louie, tapi ternyata kita sudah di line beberapa menit dan mereka pergi break. So, saya pikir bahwa saya pergi ke Lion King saja, lihat Lion King dulu. Baru nanti balik kalau ada kesempatan kita pergi lihat si Baloo dan Louie. Sorry. Saya sudah siap-siap lagu I wanna be like you too. Terus mereka break.
Talk like you.
Eat like you too. OMG sudah panas. I think we need to have place to sit down to feed Rachel really quick.
Okay.
Oh, the Festival of Lion King.
Yeah.
Aduh, panas sekali.
Where's the sign say? Right there.
This right here, lion is right here.
Oh. Yes. So we have at 3 o'clock, 1 o'clock. So we have a little time.
Lion King jam 3. Aduh, harum sekali. Ini rumah makan India ya. You smell that?
What?
The food? Ini seperti pasar kecil pemirsa. Jadi mereka punya jual mangga, pepaya, dan lain sebagainya. Wild Africa Truck. Hello.
Looks like there's a hippo over on your shoulder on the right side. It's kind of a tricky angle, so you can't really get a good view, but we're gonna head on up around this corner and test our luck up there. Are actually made up of keratin, which is the same material that your fingernails and your hair are made out of. It does look like they've been rolling around in that mud today.
See that?
Now, people might not think of zebras as pretty tough, but they actually, a kick from a zebra has the ability to break the jaw of a lion.
What?
Up ahead on your right, you'll also be able to spot some more zebras as well as an ostrich. Everyone hold your breath. We're gonna make it. Oh! Uh-oh. Lean right, lean right, lean right.
That's crazy.
Okay, we're gonna head on up ahead.
I know it.
It does look like though we're entering red clay territory. If you take a look over your left shoulder, you'll be able to spot about 3 elephants.
I can see the elephant.
see the baby elephant? If you look closely too, you might be able to see some mud on the elephants. The mud is used as a type of sunblock for the elephants because they actually have really sensitive skin.
You see how close this camera can get? You see the baby elephant?
Termite mounds are made up of dirt and termite saliva, which is kind of gross when you think about it, but they look pretty cool. They sit in the sun and will bake until they become hard as rock.
They don't have plugging.
I can find you one. Behind the counter.
Anak-anak saya sudah pada tidur pemirsa, mereka kecapean. Tadi perjalanan di dalam Harambe itu pemirsa bagus sekali. Aduh, menurut saya itu lebih bagus dari zoo karena di sini kelihatannya dia kayak real life begitu ya. Jadi ini animal ini walaupun di Disney World tapi mereka berasa seperti di rumah mereka alias jungle ya, karena kelihatannya seperti begitu. So bagus sekali, highly recommend Harambe Show, Bug Show. Nah sekarang saya mau untuk pergi ke King Kong. No, King Kong, orang hutan, right? What they call it?
Orangutan?
Yeah, the show King Kong, right?
Oh, the gorilla.
Oh, gorilla. I say King Kong. I know the bridge. That was fake.
Yeah.
Mereka bikin jembatannya goyang-goyang begini pemirsa. Itu adalah buatan mereka supaya ada bunga-bunganya di perjalanan. April dan suaminya ada di pemeriksaan tas. Oh ya, saya lupa bilang. Di sini mereka periksa tas pemirsa sampai dompet. What is that? They singing.
We are here today to welcome you one and all to the festival of the Lion King. Welcome to our world. It is there. Welcome to the regal world. We are a band of singers who travel with Simba and his friends throughout the land in this tribal celebration. Time for introductions. My name is Kume. I am the leader of this group. Kume is Swahili for masculine and strong. What do you think? And next we have Nakawa, which is Swahili for good looking.
Well, hello, good looking.
Turn around and get everybody to put their paws up, just like my friend here. And on the count of three, let me hear that roar. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Now that's a line for the elephant time, my friend here, all the way from London. All right, get that arm up. Let's see that trunk. Now let's hear the call. Yes. Now that's an elephant we will never forget, indeed. Turn around one more time, everyone, arms up. On the count of three, let's trumpet triumphant. 1, 2, 3. The mighty pack of dirt.
Okay, my turn. I'm next. Everyone, this is my new friend, Princess Polina. She's from Argentina, and she will show us what sound a giraffe makes. You ready? Go. You don't know, huh? It's okay.
Listen. you. Yes, I just see the Lion King.
Welcome, everyone. It's me, Simba. You've all picked a very special day to visit. You see, today, we've come to town for a big celebration. And you, my friends, are invited to join in the fun.
Don't worry, your old buddy Timothy's here. The show can begin. Hey, what are you doing? Slow down, slow down. Oh, I just can't wait to be here. Oh, look at me, I'm in a parade. Oh, I just can't wait.
Century, people there for the murkier side. But take the air, be prepared. Every creature go the broken sing. Let's hear it in the hurting heart.
Saya tadi sudah kasih ganti si Rachel punya diaper, and then sekarang si Travis lagi di dalam kamar mandi untuk ganti diapernya si Zach. Hello. We're waiting for Zach. They're filming what? They're filming what? Oh, TV show. Pemirsa, mereka lagi syuting. Shooting film Blackish.
I think it's a comedy.
Comedy? Okay. So, saya mau lihat ini aktornya siapa ini. Mungkin Brad Pitt? Or Angelina Jolie? I cannot zoom with this camera. Action! Stop! Cut! Thank you. Oke pemirsa, tidak ada tempat duduk di dalam sini, jadi kita harus pergi ke restoran yang satu di bawah, makan pizza. Look at the bug. Ini panasnya pemirsa, kalah Indonesia. Kalah Maluku. Itu apa? Itu di sana apa tuh? Aduh. Kok saya OMG, we should after we eat. Saya mau ke dalam air dulu melihat lumba-lumba. Oh, thank you God. Thank you. Mana sepatunya itu OMG dia sudah buka lagi. Ini free pemirsa. Si Travis bilang, oh itu roti kelihatannya enak. Terus dia kasih free. Are you joking with me? Rica iris. Kalau di Manado kita bilang rica iris ya. Tidak dimasak, ini pokoknya mentah. Oh. Itu so good. Lagi menunggu si Zak makan pemirsa. Kita berdua sudah selesai.
And makan is anything.
Makan.
Yeah, makan is anything for short.
Yeah. Asia, they're in Asia.
Close by. So what we have to do is we'll take turns with the fast passes. The girls go first, and we watch the kids. And when you get back, we go first. Okay?
Where? Space Mountain?
Yeah. We all four can go, but we have to go there early at the beginning of the hour, and then girls go first, and then you get back fast, and then it's our turn.
You went there already last night.
I know, but we're going, might as well go on it again.
MG pemirsa.
It's a good ride.
Greedy. But you won't be getting fast pass, right?
We both have fast pass. All of us.
All of us.
All of us have fast pass.
At that same
Sorry.
time. But you say we need to have like one fast pass at a time.
No, you need to use. See, they didn't have fast pass before. Yes, and only we did. That's why we're sharing our tickets. They have fast pass today.
I know, but you don't know if they already booked that place at the same hour.
Right. We already booked it today. 6:15.
You bought also the same.
We both booked it.
Kemarin malam pemirsa mereka sudah dia sama si suaminya si April sudah naik Space Mountain. Sekarang mereka bilang kasih saya dan April duluan pergi, mereka jaga si anak-anak. Habis itu pemirsa mereka berdua pergi lagi.
So what ride did you say for or her husband?
I don't know. They say just Asia.
There's the big roller coaster over in Asia.
Maybe that one. Saya ini lagi charge pemirsa, saya harus dulu ke sini berkarlota dulu dengan kalian. OMG Zak. Ini terakhir yang dia makan. Dia kasih tinggal yang satu dia sudah pegang. OMG dia makan banyak sekali.